If you're experiencing login failures on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and then test connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify Nintendo account credentials. Double-check your Nintendo account username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix login issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. After the console restarts, try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If you're still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with account recovery. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and enjoy your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Nintendo's customer service.